Today we are discussing question and answers of N10-008 certification. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. To find the complete list of question and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. A technician is troubleshooting a previously encountered issue. Which of the following should the technician reference to find the solution was implemented to resolve the issue? Option A, standard operating procedures. Option B, configuration baseline documents. Option C, work instructions. And option D, change management documentation. The correct answer is option A. A SaaS provider has dedicated to leave an unpatched VM available via public DMZ port. With which of the following concept is this technique most closely associated? Option A, insider threat. Option B, war driving. Option C, evil twin. And option D, honeypot. The correct answer is option D. An IDS was installed behind the edge firewall after the network was breached. The network was then breached again, even though the IDS logged the attack. Which of the following should be used in place of these devices to prevent future attacks? Option A network tap. Option B, a proxy server. Option C, a UTM appliance. And option D, a content filter. The correct answer is option C. A customer wants to segregate the traffic between guests on a hypervisor. Which of the following does the technician need to configure to meet the requirement? Option A, virtual switches. Option B, OSPF routing. Option C, load balancers. And option D, NIC teaming. And option E, fiber channel. The correct answer is option A. A chief information officer wants to improve the availability of the company's SQL database. Which of the following technology should be utilized to achieve maximum availability? Option A, clustering. Option B, port aggregation. Option C, NIC teaming. And option D, snapshot. The correct answer is option C. A network administrator wants to improve the security of the management console on the company's switches and ensure configuration changes made can be correlated to the administrator who confirmed them. Which of the following should be network administrator implement? Option A, port security. Option B, local authentication. Option C, TACACS plus. Option D, access control list. The correct answer is option C. A network technician is installing an analog desk phone for a new receptionist. After running a new phone line, the technician now needs to see an MP on a new connector. Which of the following connectors would most likely be used in this case? Option A, DB9. Option B, RJ11. Option C, RJ45. And option D, DB25. The correct answer is option A. Which of the following attacks encrypts user data and requires a proper backup implementation to recover? Option A, DDoS. Option B, phishing. Option C, ransomware. Option D, Mac spoofing. The correct answer is option C. A network administrator wants to analyze attacks directed towards the company network. Which of the following must the network administrator implement to assist in this goal? Option A honeypot. Option B, network segmentation. Option C, antivirus. Option D, a screened subnet. The correct answer is option A. A network administrator is configuring a database server and would like to ensure a database engine is listening on a certain port. Which of the following commands should the administrator use to accomplish his goal? Please look at the options. The correct answer is option B. A technician is implementing a new wireless network to serve guests at a local office. The network needs to provide internet access but disallow associated stations for communicating with each other. Which of the following would best accomplish this requirement? Option A, wireless client isolation. Option B, port security. Option C, device geofencing. The correct answer is option A.